This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're coming to you live from the SeeThruEquity Fall MicroCap Investor Conference in New York City 2015. Standing with me is Mr. Richard Gabriel from GLG Pharma, LLC. It's a private company. Richard, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. I really enjoy being here.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Let's tell our audience a brief overview of the company.
Sure. The GLG Pharma is a specialty pharmaceutical company. We're focused in three areas. One is we shut off STAT3 mechanism, which causes the proliferation of cancer cells, specifically cancer stem cells. And we're focused in three disease areas. The first disease area is chronic lymphocytic leukemia. We have a GLG 801 that is in phase 2 clinical trials. We have a preclinical candidate, GLG 302, that has been selected by the NCI's Prevent Cancer program and is advancing to the next level of drug formulation, and also the NCI will sponsor it through phase 1 clinical and then later hopefully all the way through to the NDA. That particular drug is to replace two very toxic compounds that triple-negative breast cancer women are on. One is tamoxifen and the other one is raloxifene. About 30% of the triple-negative breast cancer patient women refuse to be on tamoxifen because of its toxicity. So the NCI is very interested in our product. And so far through 10-month studies, we've seen no ill effects in 2 animal studies at 50 times the dose, and we're proceeding ahead.
Where does this technology come from?
Well, the technology comes from the Moffitt Cancer Center. STAT3 inhibitors have been sponsored by the NCI for the last 15 years, and most of pharmaceutical companies believe that STAT3 was not a druggable target. Well, they were wrong. It is a druggable target. We're leading the pack. We have, as I said, a phase 2 in chronic lymphocytic leukemia, and we have a preclinical in triple-negative. We also have another disease that is STAT3 mediated called polycystic kidney disease. And this particular disease, our compounds also inhibit the growth of the cysts as well as help reduce the creatinine in the kidneys. So those are the 3 programs that we have right now.
So what's your background?
My background is I'm a chemist. I started out in large-scale chemical manufacturing. I own my own company, half owner in a company with about 160 people in it. We specialized in making active pharmaceutical ingredients under FDA, GMP, as well as we made DEA regulated compounds.
Where are you intending to do these, well, where are you doing these clinical trials?
Well, the clinical trials, currently the phase 2 is being only conducted at one site at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Boston. With our funding, we expect to also do additional site expansion at the Moffitt Cancer Center, probably MD Anderson, as well as in Poland and France.
So if you had to look ahead into 2016, where would you like to see the company?
Well, with the appropriate funding that we're looking at, and this is a private placement, we would look to start writing our S1 for a U.S. NASDAQ listing. We will also look to list on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, as we have a subsidiary that we own that's set up in Warsaw. And in addition to that, we'll look at the AIM as well as other exchanges across the globe.
Let's give out your website for more information.
Okay, our website is real simple. It's glgpharma.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Gabriel, GLG Pharma, LLC. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live on SNNLive from the SeeThruEquity Fall MicroCap Investor Conference, New York City, 2015. Richard, let me thank you for coming on.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much.